Question 4. The management of Rchrp Enterprises Limited is in the process of monitoring and evaluating strategy implementation. Explain the tools that the management may utilize in carrying out the exercise. So we have various tools when it comes to this exercise of monitoring and evaluating strategy implementation. So one, you can use a key performance indicator. So here you talk about quantifiable measures. So these are used to track and assess the performance of specific strategic objective. So the organization will identify the key performance indicator. It can be sales growth, market share, customer satisfaction, and also after doing that one, then they regularly monitor against the set targets, and then they can also use balanced scorecard. So this one is a strategic performance management framework that provides a holistic view of the organization performance. So it is beyond the financial performance of the organization. So it covers 4 perspectives. So the first one is financial. So here talk about how do we look to shareholders. So you talk about profitability, revenue growth. And then customer. How do the customer see us? Are they satisfied? Internal business processes. What must we excel at? So we can talk about innovation. Learning and growth. Can we continue to improve and create value? A good example is technological capabilities. And then we can also use another tool, which is strategic dashboards and scorecards. So these are visual tools that present key performance indicators and other relevant data in concise and easily digestible format. And then we have strategy maps, also a visual representation of company strategy. So this one shows the cause and effect relationship between strategic objectives across the 4 perspectives of the balanced scorecard. So it plays a role in when it comes to communication, and also it demonstrates how different objectives link together to create value. Then performance review meetings. So these meetings can be conducted quarterly or monthly, involving top management and also the heads of departments. So you want to assess the progress, so you conduct these meetings. Then budgets and financial statements. Monitoring actual financial performance against budgets or budgeted figures is also another tool that can be used. Can analyze income statement, balance sheets, cash flow statements to get more insights into financial implications and success of strategy implementation. Can use variance analysis. So here you talk about comparing actual performance against planned or budgeted performance and analyzing the differences. So the differences are what we call variances. That is why you have it in brackets. And then benchmarking. So here you compare the organization's performance, processes, or strategies against those of leaders or industry leaders. So you can use a Gantt chart and project management software. So the Gantt chart, this one is mostly used in project management. So it was developed by Henry Gantt. So it is used in project planning and also implementation. And you can also use SWOT analysis. So here you talk about periodic reassessment. So you are re-evaluating the organization. So you talk about strength, weaknesses, or opportunity. Yeah, so you want to see if the strategic assumptions are still holding true, and also want to know if the chosen strategies are still relevant. So you can also get feedback, or sorry, you can have what we call employee surveys and feedback mechanism. Yeah, so you gather information from employees about their understanding of the strategies and also the challenges they may have encountered, and also if they have suggestions for improvement. Yeah, so this one will give you an insight on operational effectiveness. Yeah, so that is 4A, the tools that may be utilized. B, 4B, strategic human resource management plays a critical role in an organization. Explain the importance of strategic human resource management in a non-profit organization. So this question is very common in exam. Yeah, so the importances include attracting and retaining talent, most of the time volunteer based, so and then ensuring that there is alignment with mission and also engagement, and also optimizing limited resources. So you talk about this organization, non-profit or not-for-profit organizations, so they have budgets. So these strategies help them in optimizing the utilization of human resources. Yeah, so ensuring that the right people are there and only the number of people needed in the organization are there. And then building organizational capacity and sustainability. So strategic human resource management focuses on long-term workforce planning, talent development, and succession planning. So this one means for non-profit organization, ensures that necessary skills and leadership are there, which helps in achieving long-term objectives. So also managing diversity and inclusion. Yeah, so these organizations serve diverse communities and rely on diverse staff and volunteer basis. Yeah, so strategic human resource management helps in developing policies and practices that promote the diversity they need. Then they ensure that they comply with labor laws, and also conduct ethically, or ensuring that they comply with ethical standards. So it ensures that all human resource practices are done according to the laws and also the ethical standards. Enhancing performance and accountability. Yeah, so we've seen that strategic human resource management implements performance management system. Yeah, so that one will define clear roles, set objectives, and also provide a feedback. And then develop leadership and governance. Yeah, so all these are most of the non-profit organizations, so they depend on good leadership or strong leadership or leadership. Yeah, so strategic human resource management supports that. So it supports leadership development, succession planning, and key roles. Then fostering a positive culture and well-being, and also stakeholder management.